Hey, my name's Dylan Dunkerton, and today I'm presenting week's 3 assignment, leadership and professional development, planning. The outcome I'm trying to achieve is to focus on a respectful engagement with my line supervisor at work. I chose him for this experiment because it would be helpful to have a high quality connection with my supervisor at work. I've had some communication obstacles before, as such as him not active listening. The first step to a high quality connection is respectful engagement. The steps I took were to be present, be genuine, and active listening. These are some strategies for respectful engagement. The measures of successful would be to create a respectful engagement with my line supervisor. Execution. I approach this scenario by active listening and being present. One thing that I noticed is that he had good body language, and I also noticed that he was being available by making time for this conversation. One way would be he turned down his work radio. It seemed that the more genuine I was, the more genuine he was. I was surprised by his positive energy, as if he enjoyed the conversation. Usually he's short with his words and doesn't have the best body language. Reflection. I was a little nervous because this is a different approach than how we normally have conversations. Like I said before, he's usually kind of short and never usually good body language. One thing I learned during this assignment is the pathway to a high quality connection is to have respectful engagements. One thing I learned from this experience is to be more genuine. One scenario I would use this in the future would be at a job interview or a meeting someone important in my field of work, to have a good and long lasting impressions. Comparing it to AI is easier for me to compare it to the feedback I received, because this and AI had similar scenarios where they both took place at my work, but they also had different outcomes. One way would be like this was more successful. AI, it's still kind of in the process, but thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great night.